room 2514. On it, doors heavy on Enchantment of the Seas. This is an Oceanview room, and it's one of those with, instead of a regular window, it has 2 portholes. And let's see if I can turn this off for a minute. There we go, so that I can show you the room. Well, I'm glad that it doesn't have any bunkies or anything up there, as though they're a little bit of a pain to work around. And I think these are a little old for having USB. I'll look though. Nope, but it does have a light up here, and then it shows a light. Oh yeah, there's light there too for reading. That is really a deep porthole window. All right, a big mirror, yes. A little love seat, tiny TV, which is fine. That is a refrigerator, a portable refrigerator that we ordered ahead of time. I love these older of the seas ships, the Royal Caribbean ships, because they have lots of storage space for like doodads. Another mirror, a table, and then the closet space. It could be better, but it'll do. It's only a 5-day cruise. So it has 2 short hangings, 1 long hanging, and the drawers, which the drawers are a little difficult to get in and out of. It's got a shelf up there, which is where your life jackets are. And then the bathroom. It says watch your step, because cruise ship steps in the bathrooms are biggies. All right, so it's got just one, what do you call it? You know, it's a combination hair and body wash. I washed my hair this morning. I think I can make it 5 days because I will be wearing a baseball cap during most of it, or I can go to the salon. All right, so it's got a shelf down here, but it's kind of used up. Been on the ship and had the same type of room before, so we got a bunch of little cubbies, and then this one is a drawer, and this one, it was trash before. Nope, it's not on this one though, because the trash is right there. And then 2 mirrors. Hello. Yeah, sail and breeze. It's a little stinky in here, actually. That's for sharps. There's a toilet cleaner, hand towels, 2 bath towels. Ooh, 4 hooks. There's a phone, and then some drawers here, and then some big drawers here. This is really made for doing makeup, these rooms are. Oh, there's another light here. Same kind. So I'm looking for USBs. So I'm not seeing any USBs. So I'm glad we brought something that plugs in there and has USBs. All right, so that's the room on Enchantment of the Seas.